Ever been doing something like recording a YouTube video where you can't get disturbed and you get a crikey, that's a bit hostile? I guess I should have updated my WhatsApp status. No more hostile messages and no more, hey, what are you up to? Because they can see exactly what you're up to. So stick around and I'll show you how you can easily create stunning visual status updates that are sure to delight your friends and family and subtly let them know that you can't get back to their messages straight away. Hi, I'm Lou, an art director here at Canva. You might be wondering, what's a WhatsApp status post anyway? Great question. WhatsApp status posts have been a little under the radar, but they're getting more and more popular. They're very similar to Instagram and Facebook stories, as in you get a feature that allows users to share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. To view one, just tap the status tab. It looks like this. Tap the contact status you want to see. You can even reply while viewing. After watching this video, everyone in your network will want to know all of your design secrets. When that happens, just send them here. But first, I've got something to show you. Have you subscribed to our channel? You'll find an endless stream of inspirational tutorials that help you elevate your designs. From social media content to business cards to Twitch overlays and more. Hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on all the fab content we've got coming your way. When it comes to communicating with your friends, an interesting image can say 1,000 words. But you can even create quotes, videos, slideshows, funny memes, or inspirational messages. And designing them in Canva will help your WhatsApp status really pack a punch. So if you're ready to create striking status updates, let's jump in. Open Canva, head to templates, and search for WhatsApp status in the search bar. Here you'll find over 200,000 templates. Yep. That's right, over 200,000 to help you get inspired and update your WhatsApp status in a flash. Let's say you decide to jet off on a long weekend trip to New York City and you want to create a simple location-based status post. Let's start with this template here. This is the perfect photo to share when you first land in NYC. I might add a couple of stickers to convey the excitement of being in the Big Apple. Move graphics, lines, icons, shapes, and more by simply dragging, resizing, and dropping where you want them. You can even apply filters to your images to create warm, monochrome, or antique effects. And that's it. Ready to share. Perfect way to let people know exactly what you're up to in a flash. But what about when you hit that $1 pizza stand and end up with a slice that's bigger than your face? Or you reach the top of the Empire State Building? Or you take your first ride in a classic yellow taxi? There's so much worth sharing, right? No problem. You can continue to create and add new posts to your WhatsApp status, just like an Instagram story, so people can follow your journey. Upload your own photos here. Simply drag and drop them into your design. Or choose from our library of over 1 million stock images. How awesome is that? And even if you're so caught up in the beauty of your surroundings and forget to snap a photo, our stock library has you covered. And even if you're not jetting off on a summer holiday anytime soon, there are so many innovative ways to use the WhatsApp status feature. If words inspire you, why not create a quote of the day to inspire your friends and put a smile on their face? Head back to the homepage and find a quote-based template that catches your eye. Choose from hundreds of fonts to suit and enhance your message. Or pick any color you like to appeal to your personal style. Head to the Elements tab and search for quotes. In the graphics section, you'll find quotation marks, boxes, and bubbles to add a professional edge to your words. And in the Photos tab, you'll find a ton of ready-made quote images to browse and add to your designs. Perfect for those days where you're feeling all out of words and need some inspo. And if you're just not in the mood and have a big project at work that's consuming all of your attention, a cheeky do not disturb status post will do the talking for you. Are you starting to see how handy the WhatsApp status feature is? If you have any questions or thoughts, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. Now, let's get back to exploring more of the many WhatsApp status possibilities with Canva. Did I mention you can add video to your status? Let's say it's New Year's Eve and you want to share a video of your night. Maybe you found someone special or seen an amazing fireworks display. Start with a blank design. You can head to your upload section to upload your own video footage, or head to the Elements tab again and start a new search. Click the Videos tab and you'll find hundreds of stock library video clips to add to your design. All that's left to do is add a personal message and your WhatsApp status is ready to post. Just add some text here and here. Add a little animation on the text. Just hover over each one and it will show you a preview. I like this one. Click the share button in the top right corner and scroll down to where it says download. Choose MP4 for video posts, JPEG or PNG for everything else. No more having to text all your friends as soon as the clock hits 12. Pretty handy, right? There, it's done. And now I can get back to enjoying the night. Now, if you really want to have some fun with your WhatsApp status, you can turn it into a game. Think Never Have I Ever, or Bingo, or a favorite things list. Simply type what you're looking for into the search bar. I'm going to search for Bingo. Click to customize the template. As always, you can change the fonts, colors, and also the description in the card so it's more personal to you. Check off anything you want people to know. If you want more on Bingo, check out Alex's video. She goes into a lot more detail. Once you're finished customizing your game template, you can share it as a template link with your contacts so that everyone can join in the fun. It's super easy. Watch this. Go to Share and click Template Link. You can then share the link with others. When they click on it, a new unique document will open for them. All they have to do is fill their details and upload the file to their WhatsApp status, and they'll be in the game too. Whether you use the Canva mobile app or access our platform on your desktop, designing and then exporting your status to WhatsApp couldn't be easier. Now you can get back to being in the moment, undisturbed and unharassed. If you've got a question about anything we covered in today's video, drop it in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer as soon as we can. Hey there, did you find this video helpful? If you're nodding yes, Lou, I did find this video helpful, then I've got some great news for you. We upload videos like this every week, and there's a full playlist of content waiting to be checked out. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Right, I'm off to Japan now, so I'll send you a postcard, or actually a WhatsApp status. Sayonara.